Understanding Hurricane Winds, an English language guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, hurricane winds. Understanding this term is not just about knowing its definition, but also about grasping its context and usage. Let's dive in and unravel the meaning of hurricane winds together. Before we delve into the phrase, hurricane winds, it's essential to understand what a hurricane is. A hurricane is a type of tropical cyclone that forms over warm ocean waters. It's characterized by a low-pressure center, thunderstorms, and, most notably, strong winds. Hurricanes are known for their immense power and can cause significant damage due to high winds and heavy rainfall. Now, let's focus on the word winds in the phrase. In the context of hurricanes, winds are the most defining and noticeable feature. These are not just any winds, they are incredibly strong and destructive. The term hurricane winds specifically refers to the speed and power of the winds associated with a hurricane. Combining our understanding of hurricane and winds, the phrase hurricane winds refers to the powerful, high-speed winds that are a hallmark of hurricanes. These winds can reach speeds of 74 miles per hour, 119 kilometers per hour, or higher. The phrase is often used to describe situations or conditions that are as intense or powerful as the winds in a hurricane. The phrase hurricane winds can be used both literally and metaphorically. Literally, it describes the physical winds in a hurricane. Metaphorically, it can describe any situation that is extremely turbulent or chaotic, similar to the disruptive nature of a hurricane's winds. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of hurricane winds. Remember, language is not just about words, but also about the images and ideas they convey. Hurricane winds is a vivid phrase that brings to mind the power and intensity of nature. Keep exploring English, and you'll find it's full of such expressive and colorful terms. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.